salt air and the rust on your door. I never needed anything more, or whispers of are you sure? Never have I ever before. But I can see us lost in the memory. August slipped away into a moment in time, 'cause it was never mine. And I can see us twisted in bedsheets. August slipped away like a bottle of wine, 'cause you were never mine. You're back beneath the sun, wishing I could write my name on it.
I truly wanted to study in Taiwan, but the first time I applied for a visa, it was rejected. Even then, my dream of coming to Taiwan never changed. I waited for 3 months and applied again, and this time I finally got it. I had never been to Taiwan before, but when I searched about this country, many people said it's hot and humid. As soon as I landed, I felt the warm air, but honestly, I didn't mind at all. I love the excitement of a new country, its culture. There were so many new things that surprised me and made me curious. In my country, traffic jams are very common. So when I saw how many people and vehicles Taiwan has, I thought, this must be a country with very responsible and disciplined citizens. Even before I could finish being amazed, I noticed the tall trees everywhere, beautiful, green spaces along the roads and between the buildings. All that nature made me feel so comfortable, like the city was gently welcoming me. I love traveling and trying new things. Our school organizes many trips, which gives me great opportunities to explore and learn more about Taiwan. I have been studying in a language program for 8 months now. Even though that may seem short, I already feel like I'm getting used to life here. For me, Taiwan is a country rich in food and bubble tea culture. There are so many delicious dishes and drinks to try. The more I travel, the more new and exciting experiences I gain. Taiwan is truly a wonderful country. To those who are planning to come here, I want to say, there is nothing to be afraid of. Don't wait for opportunities, go and find them. Taiwan is a country full of discoveries, full of friendly people, and full of chances to grow. Some people may think my story sounds simple or ordinary, but to me, every moment has been special. Taiwan is the country I dreamed of and worked hard to reach. Even in this short time, Taiwan has taught me so much about courage, curiosity, and finding opportunities. I will always be grateful to this beautiful island and its warm-hearted people. Taiwan will forever have a place in my heart. I only have classes for about 3 hours a day, so I have a lot of free time. During that time, I usually ride my bike and explore the city where I live. Every ride helps me discover something new. A cute cafe, a quiet street, a beautiful park, or a friendly smile from a stranger. Little by little, I am learning more about this city and starting to feel like I truly belong here. In the end, I can say that my life in Taiwan, my journey here, is only just beginning. During these 8 months, I have learned and experienced so much. Taiwan has taught me lessons about patience, kindness, and discovering myself in a new world. Because of this, my desire to continue studying here for the next 4 years has grown even stronger. Along the way, I have made so many wonderful, international friends who have added light and color to my life. Every conversation, every small moment has become a memory I will never forget. By joining this competition, I hope that my short story, my first time in Taiwan, can bring even a small bit of inspiration to other students who dream of coming here someday. Thank you so much for listening to my story. This is just a small part of my journey, but it's filled with memories, gratitude, and hope.